In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a hyper-personalized chat experience using predefined welcome messages for every buyer touchpoint. In my case, I run thought leadership campaigns on LinkedIn. Each post includes a link that opens an instant chat, but I wanted to take the experience one step further. For every LinkedIn post, I wanted prospects to receive a welcome message that matched the exact content they had just read. To set this up, I opened the chat table in the Knock dashboard. For each knock link, I added a predefined welcome message that matched the post the buyer had just read. I created a unique welcome message for every post. Basically, you can do this for any knock link. It could be a link from your enterprise pricing page, an event QR code, a webinar, or a paid campaign. Every chat experience starts with the right context, based on where the buyer engaged. The AI agent understands that context too, so it can continue the conversation with more relevant answers and questions. Let's knock.